Hi, and welcome back to this lab, installing Microsoft Sentinel Training Lab solution. Microsoft give us this training lab solution to help us learn how to utilize and drive and set up and configure Sentinel and all the components related to Sentinel. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to navigate to Microsoft Sentinel in my favorites menu. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Sentinel Training Lab workspace. I'm just going to close that so I've got some more real estate. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and underneath Content Management, I'm going to click Content Hub. And in the Content Hub, I'm going to type in Training. And then from the drop down, I'm going to select the Microsoft Sentinel Training Lab. I'm going to go ahead and click Install. And I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And this is going to go ahead and create our training solution for us. So I'm going to select my resource group, which is my Azure Sentinel Training Lab, RG. And it's going to ask me for my workspace. I'm going to select that workspace we created. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. 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 This is going to go away. It's going to do a validation for us. Once it's met all of the requirements, we can then go ahead and create that training solution. Now, depending on your internet connection and depending which region you are at, that training solution can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes, maybe a bit longer to deploy out. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And this is going to go out and it's going to deploy that solution for us. So please bear in mind, it can take a good 20 minutes for the solution to deploy. So we just have to be a little bit patient. It doesn't deploy immediately. So we'll just wait for this deployment to complete, and then we'll carry on and finish off with the lab. As you can see, Microsoft Sentinel training solution actually deployed quite quickly. In my case, it didn't take too long to deploy. It took around 15 to 20 minutes to deploy. So I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this notification. I'm going to click Go to Resource Group, and you can see now here is all of my Sentinel bits and pieces as related to that training lab solution. So I'd like to thank you for viewing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training lab.